Hello everyone, welcome to this mini series of 30 days of code in HackerRank. So I will try to go through this challenge and document my process. So I will just maybe turn on my video and just record my screen while doing it. So in today's challenge, this is the day 0. So in this challenge, it's nothing but they're asking for writing a print statement. So throughout this challenge I will use Python as my programming language. And yeah, without further ado, let's solve the problem. So simply I think they're just asking hello world print write a line code. Okay, so it will be, I think, in the input they will give us an input as welcome to 30 days of code. So in Python the input will be, we can just simply take as input, it's already written. So what we need to do, we can just simply write print, then the input string, the variable name. Yeah, and let's run it. So yeah, I think it's done. It's as simple as it is, because I think it's already mentioned day 0. So let's submit the code, and yeah, it's done. So in the next video I will try to cover the day 1. So yeah, thank you for watching.